as BTC is continuing its push downwards, as we outlined in my video yesterday, how the most likely scenario, there was two very likely scenarios that we were going to keep pushing down, and we are continuing to push down. I am still in my shorts over here on Blowfin. I'm not exiting these shorts. I closed out the BTC from yesterday, nice profits on it, re-entered again because I'm seeing another down move here on the charts, and a big one that I want to be a part of. So I'm going to show you you know, where this dump is leading to, where we're heading. We're going to go smaller time frame on this as well. And I'm posting this video just to kind of warn you of a very likely situation and scenario in which price does come down to 70 to 80K, guys, on BTC. And for Ethereum, call me crazy now, laugh now, cry later, 2600 Ethereum, guys. I'm going to outline this situation for you, show you why I'm thinking this way. You know, you could take all your on-chain data and shove it. You could take Michael Saylor buying all the Bitcoin. Anything that you guys want to say that's bullish, you know, keep saying it, keep going for it. That's fine. And guys, it is bullish at the end of the day. But the reality of the situation is there could be so much bullishness, but the market's going to eat your money before it actually follows through on that bullish behavior, right? It's going to take you out. So you could take all of your data and shove it right up your tuchus. This is Elliott wave theory, guys. This is chart junkies. This is what we do. All right. If you're new to the channel, I use Elliott wave theory to come up with these trades. I only trade really Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to learn how I trade, there's a free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. Free Elliott wave course is here for you guys. I put it here for free. It's a boot camp, 3 to 4 hours. Take the course, learn Elliott wave. There's a premium option in here as well. Join premium if you want. Now, let's just get right into this, guys. This might not be my primary scenario, but it's a scenario that I at least want to give myself a shot on, and has great potential in my eyes. And that is some type of a boom, boom, flat right here. Correction down, correction up that broke the high. Let's dump it. And then let's continue. That would get us to 70 to 80K, guys. You could pull fib targets. Stick with me if you're new to Elliott wave theory. You will learn something from each and every single one of these videos. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates. Now, obviously, my first target is the 1-to-1. You guys know I love that target. It's 80K. Seems too easy for me. I want to see this dump down to the 1272, sitting at 73K. There's a nice fair value gap down here. Let's dump it. And we're going to go smaller time frame, look at this wave structure and why I think a big dump is coming. Just structurally speaking, it should have some serious follow through here. All right, so stay with me through this whole video. You might be able to get some trades up here as well, watching the smaller time frame analysis. So important stuff, guys. Over on Ethereum, while we have this mapped out, I'm looking for, you know, a 5-wave impulse and then continuation. Over on Ethereum, I'm looking for a 5-wave impulse and then continuation in a serious way, right? So this is a flat. This is a flat. Ethereum's flat looks different. We have a correction down. We have a correction up that came up pretty much to the 90% 1-to-1 area. You know, you can pull your fib. It's pretty easy. It came right up to the high, tapped it, and had a serious dump off of that high, right? So I'm just pulling fibs. Hey, how you doing? Let's go regular scale. Your 786, which is pretty much the minimum target of a flat right here, is coming in around 2500, 2600, right? And I would expect, you know, an impulsive wave. Guys, there will be pullbacks. It's not going to go straight down or straight up. You know, looking at this structurally on Ethereum, we could break this low here and then retrace in a very substantial way, right? And then come down. And then come down maybe even to the 1-to-1. Guys, we could tap this low again. Very possible. All right. We're going to go over other scenarios as well. I just need to bring this to your attention. You know, this is a serious dump in the markets that is on the charts. It's on the charts. You know, obviously right here, this is a very large pullback, guys. So, I mean, there are going to be pullbacks along the way. Doesn't mean this count is not going to play, right? You know, this could just be setting up a nice dump right here in an ABC format. Again, a nice pullback along the way, right? Now, over on BTC, let's go to our main chart on BTC. Another option that could be coming to fruition is, hey, we have a flat right here. That's our start leg. Let's just put a matching leg in here. Let's just come down a more shallow correction, and then we spike to the highs. We keep impulsing. This is going to be our last leg. Even this would get us down in here around 85 to 90K, right? So it's still there on the charts. A nice dump and follow through this wick, all right? If we're looking at, you know, indicators and momentum, I mean, there's 8-hour bearish divergence, 10-hour bearish divergence. I mean, the divergence is there. It looks gnarly. Do we get serious follow through on this divergence? We'll see. The daily time frame has quite a bit of momentum. Usually you don't see, you know, serious follow through in a serious manner. But you will see the daily kind of hurl over and come down and give us a reset. You know, if we reset on the daily, and maybe put in some hidden bullish divergence, that's you know, in play. This gets you to 70K, hidden bullish divergence, and then let's go. Reset the daily fully. That's what I would love to see. You know, right now we are breaking out of this RSI trend line on the daily time frame, guys, and that for me is no joke at all whatsoever. It's serious. I mean, that's a serious RSI trend line that has broken to the downside. Okay, we don't play with that around here. We do not play with that. So, you know, it's bearish. If we're looking at SPX, trend line broken here, I mean, that's bearish. Everything is kind of pointing down here. There's bearish divergence getting put in. Does this have some follow through on it before continuation? Most likely, guys. Most likely. DXY, I can see DXY pushing to the upside again here. And really coming and taking this fair value gap out in a substantial way before possibility of a dump. You know, this would be that mega correction on BTC and ETH and crypto and regular markets. DXY dumps and then everything else pumps. I like it. I like it. So let's go smaller time frame in here, guys. I do want to bring to your attention, if you click upgrade here when you're in the free Discord, use code heating up for $20 off your first month. This expires today, so tomorrow it's going to be canceled. If you're watching this video, you're in time. So if you want to be a part of the premium Discord, go for it. Post all my trades, live stream Monday through Friday, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. This is how you actually solidify learning how I trade and learning Elliott wave theories by watching it and learning by example, right? So if you want to be part of the premium Discord, now's your chance. This is the last time I'm running a code for a while. And then also, Blowfin has a promotion right now for Chart Junkies community. They are the best no KYC exchange out right now, guys. This is what everyone uses for the no KYC. If you click the link pinned in the first comment down below and sign up using that link, you'll get $1,500 airdropped into your account. That is the price of an iPhone 16, but they just drop it right into your account in USDT, $1,500. You just have to trade $6 million in leverage trading volume. Easy. I do that on a freaking daily basis at this point. So if you can do that over the course of the promotion period, you get $1,500 for free airdropped in your account. So go capitalize on that. It's pinned in the first comment down below. Now, let's take a look here at, smaller time frame. Let's go down to the hourly right now. So, really what I'm kind of seeing on the charts, if there is any kind of bounce here, and we're just retracing this leg, you know, I'm seeing, you know, if this breaks to the upside, easily 130, 140K is on the book, as you know, that's on the chart. I'm not expecting that right now. I'm not looking for that right now, obviously, but implications of a break of structure here and start pushing up. Yeah, I'm putting in 5 waves, 130, 140K easy. Just want to bring that to your attention. But the way I'm seeing it is one of two things. We either have a correction down here, a correction up here, looking for an impulsive leg to the downside, in which it's just going to put in a bigger corrective wave like so. This is a more shallow correction, 80 to 85K is what I'm looking at if that's the case, and then continue clicking to the upside, right? Now, in here structurally, I have an impulsive leg down. I have a correction up, correction down, impulse. I'm counting this as an impulse, some type of diagonal impulse. That's my ABC correction right there. And pushing to the downside now. There should be no coming up for air here. This should be a flush to the downside. This is our 1, this is our 2, and this is our 3, 4, 5, right? That's the structure that should take place minimum for me. Any type of bounce here, like I said, any type of push, breaking out of this downward trend line structure, hey, I'm really looking more bullish on this. Going to be thinking about really closing out of my trades at that point. Now, the other option I outlined at the beginning of this video, where we have a straight flush to the downside. This scenario would bring us down, to 70, 80K. Now, for this count to take place, I would have to consider this leg up, this spike to the high that we finished after this big wick, to be our 5th wave. You can call it truncated because it's under this, but technically it's really not, because this is our wave 3. Here's our flat into 4. And this is our wave 5, which came above our wave 3. I mean, that's really not truncated in my eyes. So that could be our 5th wave of this entire leg. That could be finished right there, guys. Right there, that could be finished. And then a serious impulsive leg to the downside to kind of, hey, there's our B leg. Let's get an impulsive C leg. Let me see if this measures pretty damn close to the 1-to-1 of our A leg. We'll take it, right? So I would love to see this just shimmy on to the downside in an impulsive fashion like that. Our 1-2's already put in. Let's really rip 3, 4, 5. We could be putting in a more shallow 1 wave, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come really deep. Really wouldn't like that though. It just doesn't make sense to me. I want to see this area taken. And then we go up in a serious way, guys. This is overall mega bullish if you get a move like this, right? So this is just what I'm seeing on the charts, guys, from, through my Elliott wave lens. This is how I'm looking at it. And we'll see how things play out. Again, I'm short for it. We will see how these trades play out. I like it. It's looking good. I will keep you updated in tomorrow's video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Like the video if you learned something out from this. It's hard for me to go slow with this because I try to fit it into a smaller video for you guys. So it's hard for me to teach. If you want to learn this stuff, you got to be in the premium Discord. Ask questions. I'm willing to answer anything and teach you guys 24/7. Elliott wave charts are there to view. Live stream is there Monday through Friday for you to ask all your questions as well. So get in the premium Discord. You got today. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Everyone trade safe. I love you. Peace.